Hello, everyone. My name is Samantha, and I am a rock translator. I collected this rock the day it was born. It was still warm from its journey from the mantle through Earth's crust and out a volcano. Since there are no active volcanoes in New York City, my research process starts in the field outside of New York. We as a volcano community generally can predict when and where volcanic eruptions start. It's an immense challenge to predict what happens during an eruption and when eruptions end. So as part of my dissertation research, I focused on that challenge. I was able to participate in this first ever collection of tephra airfall over the course of a months-long eruption. So that's me right there. With one of our ash buckets. So our team set up these buckets to collect ash falling from the sky around the actively erupting Cumbre Vieja volcano of the Canary Islands. And so from September through December of 2021, we bagged samples and brought them back to New York for chemical analysis. And the results of those chemical analyses are seen in the graph that I have on this slide. What you're looking at is the daily average chemistry or chemical signature of each day of the eruption of that ash that we collected. And over time, on the x-axis, you'll see that this is not a straight line. In fact, it moves up and down. This is incredible, right? We're seeing chemistry changing, recording its changes over the course of an eruption. And we're recording this in silica content, or SiO2. I'm using this because higher silica contents tend to be associated with more explosive eruptions, so tracking chemistry is critical for hazard mitigation efforts. Another important finding out of our research is that these chemical changes are associated with physical changes observable at the surface, volcanic tremor to be precise. We're seeing physical monitoring signal links to the chemical changes that occur, and these directly impact hazard forecasting models for when eruptions may end. And so, although we do not have a nearby volcano, I hope that at the very least, the next time that you come across a storyteller in the park or in a museum, you'll have a newfound appreciation for it. Thank you.